Today, we at NDIM are proud to celebrate his outstanding contributions as we confer upon him the honorary professorship in strategic marketing and leadership, a fitting recognition of his immense contribution to global business education and leadership development. May I invite Chairman Sir, along with the dignitaries, to kindly do the honors. I request the backstage team to kindly bring the NDIM ceremonial robe, which will be presented to Dr. Mark Oliver Opresnik by our Chairman Sir, as a formal gesture of welcoming him as the Honorary Professor of NDIM. Dr. Mark's association would enhance NDIM's academic excellence by providing you all students with direct exposure to international perspectives in marketing, leadership, and innovation. It strengthens NDIM's global footprint, opening doors to cross-border collaborations, joint research, and learning opportunities with global institutions. We warmly welcome Professor Opresnik to the NDIM family and look forward to the transformational impact his mentorship will have on our students and the academic community. Thank you so much, sir. Now comes the moment.
Not a long journey, but unending journey. Yeah. And you may have seen, Professor became very highly emotional, with tears in his eyes. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's a very happy moment, so thank you so very much.